connect tonkeeper wallet to memeland. So in this video, I will show you how to connect tonkeeper wallet to memeland. So first of all, click on wallet option. Now after that, click on connect wallet beta, click on it. Now it will show you these different wallets. Now choose tonkeeper. Now after that, it will redirect you automatically to the tonkeeper wallet app. Now it's easy, click on connect wallet. So after that, it will show you it's done. Now it will redirect you or go back to the memeland bot to show you that your tonkeeper wallet is connected. So I will click on play in reality again, and after that I will go to wallet, and you can see here that tonkeeper is connected to memeland. So this is how to connect tonkeeper wallet to memeland. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.